dig out a couple of chickens here. Show off my birds. More of a turkey call. A couple of birds. Today was really challenging. Today was tough. Big AC unit took a crap on the house. Oh, that'd be a $5,000 hit to get that repaired, ladies. Replaced, I mean. Tough. Oof. Come out here though and look at these little babies and cheer up a little bit, you know? Ugh. Gosh. Yep. Grab a couple other ones here. Got those ones? Where'd the guy go? Flipping disappeared. Oh, saw a shadow. Here he comes. I got some that are quite a bit smaller. These little peanuts. Good gap in the video there. In between different birds. This one's a blue Jersey giant, and this is a black sex link.